Hello classmates, thanks for clicking on my video to look at my survey video. So to start off with, describe your samples and survey questions. So my sample size was everybody of all ages, and I split it into two age groups, adults and children, so above 18 and over 18. And my first question was, what age is the best age in a person's lifetime? So this was based on a person's opinion, and that ranged from 0 to infinity. And then the next question was, how many hours a week do you exercise? So either none at all or every single hour a week. That's the range. And is there a relationship between a sustainable hobby and a person's content with life? So that's the first yes/no question. And is there a relationship between regular exercise schedule and a person's content with life? And that's the second yes/no question. So as I said before, I split the groups into two age groups, 18 years and over and under 18. Describe how I conducted my surveys. So I conducted a survey through the MiraCosta Canvas page, and many of you were kind enough to respond, so thank you. And I also brought these questions to my swim team, my high school swim team and my club swim team, and I also brought this to my music charity program. So people were kind enough to answer. Okay, moving on. Okay, so the question I chose to further analyze was, so my claim was, I believe that people under 18 years of age spend more time exercising than people over the age of 18. So I thought this was reasonable because people under 18 years of age tend to have more time on their hands and maybe more energy. So the results of my hypothesis test is here. So one group had 33 people, one group had 32. X bar for group 1 was 7.15, and for number 2 it was 9.22, and so on. So I used the method that Professor Headley taught us on the calculator here, and comparing P with alpha, I failed to reject HO. So this means that after reviewing the evidence and statistics gathered, there's not enough evidence to support the under 18 category exercising for more time than people over 18 or adults. And some possible biases were voluntary response, because the MiraCosta response system was voluntary, and social desirability. So for example, the question here was social desirability would come into play because people who exercise are generally more favored than people who don't exercise. And there could also be a case of undercoverage for people who didn't respond, or the groups that I just didn't get to. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.